Hello, friends. So stoked to be here to share the good news about the June top offers. It's in June. That's about all we got here. So this month we have some great offers, including the Powerhouse Pro Dentum, which is back, and some new ones like Cortexy. There's something for everybody here. So let's dive in and have a good time. So number 5, we got Metanail Complex. In the 5th spot on this list, we have a newcomer to the top offer segment. Metanail Complex is a nail and feet supporting supplement made with the proprietary blend of oils that stop fungi at the root. No more cycles of treatments, and this remedy finishes the fungus battle and has rave reviews from customers. And what do we hear from affiliates? It has a high EPC, a high AOV, awesome affiliate tools, and what more can I say? This offer deserves its spot on this list this month, and we are so happy to welcome it. Good job, advertiser. If you think this offer could be the one for you, head over to the marketplace and get your link today. So let's go through the numbers. It's got an EPC of $1.33, an average payout value of $120.82, and a hop conversion rate of 1.1%. It's doing great on Facebook, it's doing great on YouTube, and it's doing great on native. And of course, it's doing amazing on email. That's usually where most of these offers are tested first. So it is doing great out of the gate. Promote it. Moving on to our number 4, it's Quietum Plus, an all-natural tinnitus relief remedy that has been making the top offers list for quite some time now. Affiliates love it because it has a cart value of up to $700, and it does well with email, social, native, wherever you can put something paid traffic, it works amazing. Quietum Plus contains 8 plant extracts, including calming, ashwagandha, and sarsaparilla. It's stimulant-free, non-habit forming, and performs well in the over 40 niche. And I just pronounced those words right. It's a tried and true offer with plenty of juice left. Check out the affiliates tools page to find out if this could be the right thing for you to start promoting. I'd say it is. Quietum Plus is rocking an EPC of $1.50, an average payout value of $147.80, and a hop conversion rate of over 1% at 1.01, just squeaking it over. It's doing great. And this is one of those ones where, hey, everyone moves for where a lot of the consolidation is on other offers that are more popular right now. This one still churns out well because it just works. It just converts. So hit it up. Freeze! Okay, we're just about to get into the top 3 offers. But before we do, like and subscribe so you can be the first to hear about this awesome content. Okay? Unfreeze. Back to the good stuff. Number 3, we got Prostadine. Prostadine has been a mainstay on the top offers list for most of 2023, and it's because this offer works. And the payouts are great. And the payouts are really great. Affiliates are finding huge success in the over 50 niche and men's health niche with this product. Prostadine is an all-natural supplement that supports prostate health. Hard water has serious adverse effects, evidently, on the prostate, and this supplement helps clear and cleanse out harmful minerals that can cause all those pesky and painful prostate problems. Thank you. Folks, this offer is proving to be a classic powerhouse. Grab your link in the marketplace or check out their affiliate tools page. They got plenty of good stuff for you to use. So let's get into the numbers, shall we? An EPC of $1.20, an average payout value of $159.84, a hop conversion rate of 0.75%. That may seem a little bit lower than the prior two, but you gotta remember, more people, there's gonna be more levels on there from just starting to advanced, and that kind of will diversify that rate a little bit, but it's still converting with the top traffic. Get it. At number 2, we got Icaria Lean Belly Juice. The Lean Belly Juice is back, friends. This time they've improved the formula and it's found its spot at number 2 on the top offers list. With a new approach to their product, Icaria Lean Belly Juice is even more steam to take its affiliates to higher levels of success. And I'm not just reading a prompter. The Icaria Lean Belly Juice formula targets the root cause of stubborn fat, and with just 1 scoop per day in their favorite beverage, customers can rid their bodies of toxins and have healthy and dreamy physiques that they've always wanted. This offer is thriving in multiple niches and has a broad audience. With excellent affiliate tools, Lean Belly Juice could be the perfect offer for you, so head on over to the marketplace to learn more. But first, let's get into the numbers. An EPC of $1.09, an average payout value of $125.32, a hop conversion rate of 0.87%. And I don't think I have to tell you that if it's been on this top offers list and it's been number 1 in the past, it converts everywhere. So if you have any traffic, wherever it is, it will convert it. Just make sure you have a good pre-liner first, okay? And number 1, that brings us to the best and the brightest the greatest offer for June 2023, and that is Cortexi. Cortexi is a new offer to the top offers segment, and we are so excited to welcome them. Great job, y'all. You killed it. Cortexi is a memory and hearing health supporting supplement with a blend of all natural ingredients, so it keeps the memory sharp and the hearing even sharper. It's doing well in the over 50 niches and has plenty of robust and compelling affiliate tools to help you out on your promotion journey. It has a high EPC, a high AOV, and it flat out converts. You can't go wrong with this new offer. Get your link today. So let's talk about these insane numbers. It has an EPC of $1.49, an average payout value of $133.36, and a hop conversion rate of 1.12%. And we're talking as we're getting closer to summer, where we typically see things kind of take a slow dip. And this one's just rising. It's amazing. You gotta promote it. Great team over there. They'll help you out and to get you going fast. It's working great on all modes of traffic, whether you're talking Facebook, YouTube, native, email, organic, Google Ads, whatever. It's doing amazing. Promote it. Bonus Spanish-speaking market offer alert. Prodentum. We have Prodentum. That's put out a Spanish version. It is awesome, and we just wanted to share this last one with you because Prodentum is a pretty kick-butt offer, and it's doing amazing in the Spanish-speaking market now. It has incredible EPC, it has an epic APV, its hop conversion rate is pretty insane, and it's just crushing in this broader Spanish-speaking market. So you gotta check out their landing page for the affiliate tools page and get everything going. So check out these numbers. The EPC is $8.46. The average payout value is $126.47. And the hop conversion rate is 6.69%. Part of that is it's cheaper to run traffic over there, so you can run at a higher scale. It's not as touched by these types of products. And it's really cool that we have an awesome vendor out there that is putting a lot of time and attention to a really top offer and really diving in. And these are the results. So if you got Spanish-speaking traffic or you're very well adept in that market, promote this like now. You're gonna see really good results. All right, folks, that's been your top 5 offers for June of 2023. As always, like and subscribe. We wanna see you, we wanna hear from you. Write in the comments, and then Thomas will reply back to them because I'm terrible at talking back, but I watch them and I'm there, I'm lurking. Always under the surface. So we'll see you next time. See you next month in July. Promote those offers. Go make some money, y'all. Prodentum!
Way to peak my audio!
Yeah.